Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F27 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Google account. Tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and here in this step you can either create a new account or type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on Next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got here we can decide what kind of data we want to back up, and you can mark photos and videos or other device data, or both of course. I'll choose only this option, so let's tap on Confirm and tap on Manage Backup. And now in this step you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and to finish everything simply tap on Backup now. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.